Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Just don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Do what? Smash the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for trusting me. Today we're going to cook this delicious mini mandazis. Let's get cooking. So onto my ingredients today. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1 heaped spoon of Blue Band, or you can use margarine. And then I have 2 eggs right here. I have 1 cup of warm milk. And then I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And then I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. So starting off, we're just going to knead our dough. So just added my Blue Band right there. And my spice, cinnamon, then my sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then my egg, 2 eggs. Then I'm just going to give this a mix first. So mix thoroughly. And now we are just going to be adding our milk bit by bit. So it is warm milk. So knead until it is well, it has come together perfectly. I forgot this very important ingredient, baking powder. I'm using 1 tablespoon of baking powder, so I'm just going to add it, and it's okay. And now we're just going to continue kneading our dough. So I've been kneading my dough for about 5 minutes now, and now as you can see, it is ready because it is no longer sticking in my hands and it is no longer sticking in my bowl. So if your dough happens to be bigger, you can always transfer it to your working surface. But now I'm just going to cover this and let it rest for about 20 minutes so that the baking powder can react so well with my flour. So my dough has been resting for about 30 minutes and now it is ready for the next process. So we're just going to set this aside just here, and I have some flour here, some extra flour to dust my surface, ready for rolling. So we're going to divide this dough. I'm just using my hands. Sprinkle some flour, and we're going to roll this so that we can cut our mandazis. So now I'm going to start rolling my dough. The spices I use cinnamon, but remember you can also use something like vanilla. You can also use some lemon zest, some cardamom, anything that you prefer. The results will be amazing. So that is okay. So I'm going to use the rim of this cup right here, the rim. So I'll be cutting this into circles. So just like that, like that. I'll just got 2. So I'm going to remove this one. So I just want to get some nice triangle shapes. So using a knife now, I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces, just like that. And this is a nice triangle shape that I wanted, so I'm just going to set this here, place them aside. While my oil is still heating up, so I'm just going to continue cutting the others. So you can always cut them into the shape that you always want. It's not a must for them to be circles or squares. They can always be any other shape that you desire. So guys, I've finished cutting my mini mandazis. So I've chosen this a quarter shape of a circle. So you can use any other shape. And so now they are ready to be deep fried. So I'm just going to be taking one bit by bit, adding them to my medium heat cooking oil. So add all of them and make sure you keep on turning them so that they cook all sides. My kitchen is already filled up with this cinnamon aroma, very delicious. So you just need to keep toasting them around so that they don't burst. So because we're using baking powder, you see mini mandazis will always just pop up to the top of the oil automatically. So you just need to keep turning them so that they cook all round. So after around 10 minutes, they are nicely golden brown, and now I'm just going to remove this and spread them in my bowl with some serviette so that I can release the excess oil. And they are looking very nice, so sweet. So guys, I've finished making my mini mandazis, and I can tell you they are looking nicely golden brown and they are very delicious. As I told you, you can always modify the taste. You can use cinnamon, you can use cardamom, you can use lemon zest, and the result will be amazing. So just cutting out this one, you can see the air spaces, the air pockets in there. They are amazing. And just don't forget to give us that like, because it really motivates us. And don't also forget to share our video with your friends and neighbors. Smash that notification bell so that you get notified every time we have a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet, signing out right now. See you next time. Bye bye.